If you get your ass kicked, you can't get a ride on with me. All right, who got Eddie's car? Chino, you got it? Chino, you sure? I mean, it's been a long time, homie. I mean, I know you're a world record holder in the hot game from 1986.
I think I better follow me right there.
Y'all just don't know. I've known that man 30 years. All right.
You want to go right there?
All right, DJ, cut the music. I need DJ to cut the music.
I'll probably go right here then.
This is a very dangerous hop. The cars start moving forward. I need you guys to move. They're going to stop when they stop, not when I say stop. All right, hoppers, this is how this goes. If you've never done this before, we do this all across the United States. You stop when you stop, but if you miss a lick, you're done. Do not start back up. If you miss a lick, you're done. All right? Once you hit the bumper, it needs to be consecutive.
Just get a little bit back.
When I say go, we go. Does everybody have a reader back there with the phone on record? All right, hoppers, are you ready? When I say go, we go. 1, go! Manufacturers on the bumper. I got streets on the bumper. I need to see the video. I need to see the video of these two cars. I know bloodbath stopped, but I need to see the video. All right, the Eddie and the Cutlass has 14. Let's see this one.